Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and for today's episode, I'm going to share to you the latest collection of LV. So I'm going to share to you all the information that you need to know. So I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's @ramiro52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us start with the new collection of LV. So most of these would be launching May 21st, 2026. So first we have the Keepall Tennis 50. Price is 5,400 euro or 6,450 USD. So the material is monogram coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. As we could see, it has a tennis racket storage, plus of course the classic Keepall design. Then next we have this very cute Keepall 25 bandolier. So this is a big yes for me. Price is 2,400 euro or 3,050 USD. So same material. By the way guys, then the material now is the monogram grid coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. It comes with detachable leather strap bag tag, and what I love would be the ping pong bag charm, which you are going to see on the entire collection. So next guys, we have a ping pong bag, price at 2,600 euro or 3,300 USD. Material is the same, so the monogram grid coated canvas. So this is the interior. We are going to see the monogram grid interior design as well. So you could wear this one as a crossbody, as you can see. So I also guess the small pocket would be for the ping pong balls, but then again, you could be adventurous and use this for anything that you like. Then of course, one of my favorite bag would be the milk bag. So price is 2,400 euro or 3,050 USD. So affordable price for a very unique bag. So monogram coated canvas. So this is the interior guys. Comes with the cowhide leather trims, adjustable and detachable leather strap, and it comes with a leather bag tag as well. So next on the collection, from the monogram grid coated canvas material, we have the Keepall bandolier size 50. So zooming in, you're going to see like a perforated design of the monogram canvas. By the way, the price of this one is 3,000 euro or 3,900 USD. So this is the back side. Comes of course with the detachable ping pong bag charm. I really want the ping pong bag charm. So next on the collection, we have the shopper tote size mini. Price of this one is 3,500 USD. So monogram grid coated canvas. This is the interior. It comes of course with cowhide leather trims. So it comes with detachable leather strap. What I love about this one of course is you could wear it many ways, and of course comes with my favorite bag charm. Super cute. Anyone a big fan of ping pong or table tennis, kindly comment down below. Then of course, if you want something a little bit smaller and price friendlier, we have the locker dop kit. Price at 1,440 USD. So as you can see, the interior is color yellow as well. So comes with the same material, which is the monogram grid coated canvas with adjustable vachette strap, as we can see here. So next on the collection, so we have the flaneur backpack. Again, apologies if I'm pronouncing that one incorrectly. So we have the price of 3,300 USD. So this is a classic backpack by LV, but of course the materials like the monogram perforated or the grid coated canvas. So this is the interior, as you can see. Super love, very spacious, perfect for everyday, perfect for travel as well. Then some SLGs. Again, I would not be pronouncing that one. So we have the SKU here. Just kindly take note of the SKU. Then check with your CAs and the website. Love the interior guys, as you can see. So the main materials monogram grid coated canvas with the perforated design with cowhide leather trims, and of course it would come with the blue colorway interior. So next on the collection, so we have the Louis Vuitton Buoy. So if you want your pool or your house to have like a little bit of accent, then perhaps you could put this one on your swimming pool. So it's quite big, right? So price at 3,400 euro or 4,250. Super expensive. So materials you can see, so it is a waterproof material with the Louis Vuitton monogram. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, color, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! So next on the collection, so we have the Louis Vuitton paddle pouch. So if you are a player, then definitely this is the one for you. Price at 1,680 euro or 2,190 USD. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It comes of course with brass stone hardware, and this is the interior. So again, if you're adventurous, then you could use this one for aside from a paddle racket. So speaking of the racket, this one is priced at 950 euro or 1,180 USD. So I'm guessing that they're not selling this one as a pair, but they're selling this one per piece. So the colorway of this one is in color white, so it comes with the Louis Vuitton monogram in front. Then we have another SLG. We have the envelope carte de visite. Again, apologies for the mispronunciation. Price at 420 USD. So as you can see, monogram grid coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is monogram and yellow. And you have seen that once you open, you could actually see the perforated design of the monogram coated canvas. Next, we have multiple wallet, price at 680 USD. So now we are getting a closer view of how the monogram grid coated canvas looks like. As you can see, the leather actually peeks through the perforation. The colorway of this one is the classic brown monogram canvas with the colorway blue leather trims, as you can see. Same with the interior of the SLG. Next guys, we have the passport cover. So the passport cover is priced at 410 euro or 520 USD. Monogram grid coated canvas. So this is the interior. So red interior. Then we are going to see on the flap there is a perforated design. Then of course this one would be launching part as on May 21st. Next SLG. So we have the passport cover, but the colorway of this one would be monogram in brown, of course, with the yellow leather interior. Price at 410 and 520 USD. We have the SKU here, same material, monogram grid coated canvas with cowhide leather trims, and this is the interior. As you can see, we have the perforated design as well. So next guys, so let us discuss some of the shopper totes. So first we have the size MM. Price is 4,000 USD. We have the SKU here. So guys, please take note the material is a combination of coated canvas, that is the white part, and then of course it would come with the cowhide leather trim, which is the green colorway. So as I've noticed, color is the white and green with ping pong bag charm, which is detachable, and it comes of course with detachable leather strap as well. Next guys, it would come in the red colorway. So we have the shopper tote mini, price at 3,450 USD. Coated canvas with cowhide leather trims, colorways white and red with ping pong or table tennis bag charm, which is in the color navy or blue, of course with detachable leather strap. Last but not the least, so we have the shopper tote mini. This time price is 4,000 USD, and the reason is the entirety of the bag is made of calfskin leather. Honestly, I would prefer the entire bag as a calfskin leather. That's just my personal opinion. Colorway is like a bottle green, and of course it would come with detachable ping pong bag charm with detachable leather strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a pant emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and silent tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me until the end of this episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!